Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Prerna, and in today's video I'm going to show you my go-to Korean style inspired makeup look. So for that, first I'm prepping my lips with a lip balm from Oriflame, and to fix my uneven eyes I'm going to apply a double eyelid tape on my right eye. I have also made a detailed video on double eyelid tapes, and I'm going to put the link to that video in my description box below, so please go and watch that as well. I'm going to mix these two shades from the eyebrow kit by Swiss Beauty, and I'm going to try to draw a straight eyebrow because Koreans usually have really straight eyebrows. So I'm going to try to draw as straight as possible, with a little bit of arch towards the end of the eyebrow. Then I'm going to take this gel from the kit and I'm going to set my eyebrow hairs, and I'm going to do my other eyebrow off camera just to save time. To moisturize my face, I'm going to use this moisturizer by Pond's. This moisturizer is really affordable and the formula is really good, and I've been enjoying it. For my primer today, I'm going to be using this hydrating primer by e.l.f. and basically I'm going to apply it all over my face. And for my foundation today, I'm going to take this L'Oreal True Match foundation in the shade Golden Beige. And just to cancel out that little bit of darkness under my eyes, I'm going to use this concealer by LA Girl in the shade Creamy Beige. And I'm going to blend it out using my finger. And to set the concealer, I'm going to use this Coty Airspun Loose Powder. I'm going to take a very small amount of powder on my sponge, and I'm going to set the concealer. For my blush today, I'm going to use this liquid blush by Miniso. And when I go for Korean inspired makeup looks, I usually don't like to use a lot of powder. I'm also going to apply a little bit of that blush on my nose too, and I'm going to blend it out using my finger. And to highlight my face, I'm going to take this illuminator by L'Oreal, and I'm going to apply it on the high points of my face and blend it out. To give my face a little bit of dimension, I'm going to use this bronzer by Physicians Formula. And for my eye look today, I'm going to use this Rosé in the Air eyeshadow palette by Wet n Wild. I'm going to use a shader brush like so, and I'm going to take this transition shade from the palette and pat it on the eyelid. I'm going to be very careful while placing the eyeshadow on the eye where I have applied the double eyelid tape. I'm also going to apply that same shade on my lower lash line as well. I'm not going to take the eyeshadow higher than my crease line. I'm just going to keep it a little below the crease line. And then I'm going to take this little orange shade and apply it on the outer and inner corner of my eyes. I'm going to try and blend out the harsh lines if there are any, and I'm also going to use the same shade on my lower lash line. Then I'm going to take this reddish orange shade and again apply this on the outer and inner corner of my eyes. This shade is a little darker than the other shades, and this is going to give a little bit of depth and dimension to my eyes. Then I'm going to take this shimmery shade from the palette and apply it at the center of my eyelids. I'm also going to apply that same shade at the center of my lower lash line and also a little bit on the inner corners of my eyes. And I'm going to take this brown eyeliner by Rimmel London and I'm going to draw a liner with a downward facing wing, and that's the best way I can explain it. Then I'm going to curl my lashes before applying mascara, and for my mascara today I'm going to be using the Volume Million Lashes Mascara by L'Oreal. And for my lips, I'm going to take this liquid lipstick by Colourpop in the shade Ariba, and I'm going to just apply a little bit on the inner side of my lips and blend it out using my finger. I'm trying to make this effect. I think it's called the popsicle lips. So yeah, basically I'm trying to get that effect on my lips. And as a last step for that extra glow, I'm going to take this illuminating setting spray by Cover FX. And so yeah, this is my go-to Korean style inspired makeup look. I hope you liked this look and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please do hit the like button, and also please do subscribe to my channel and help my channel grow. I'm going to come up with more such videos in the future, so please hit the notification bell icon so that you get notified about those videos. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, bye, and thank you so much for watching.